Made it from the hostel. Jenny got some mints. So we're gonna go to the airport, check in, drop the bags, and then go to the lounge, prime class lounge, hopefully get some breakfast, some coffee, and we can relax before our flight. Made it through security, no problem. Now to find the lounge. We had to go through passport control, but we can just go right back out to go to our other gate. And now we're heading up to the prime class lounge. Isn't it open?
Not open early.
5:30.
Doesn't seem to be open, even though it should be by 5:30, and it's 6:18. I just want some breakfast, so we're a little confused.
Letting us down, Copenhagen. All we wanted was an open lounge.
I think everything we try to do there has gone awry.
Oh well. Let's hope this works. Worked out nicely for us.
I feel like I haven't had eggs in 10 years. It's great. I got cappuccino. I'm very happy.
Now that I've had some food, I'll show you around the lounge, or at least the cool wine bar thing. Let's go see. I have to whisper because it's quiet. So the Eventyr lounge, highly recommend. Saving grace for us, even though we're a bit spoiled with the lounges anyways. On our way to our gate. I think we have to go back through passport control. But, so we're gonna go as fast as we can.
That's today. So let's see what they say. I'm sure we're not the first. But I highly recommend that lounge. It was so good. I got a cappuccino and eggs and a nice bathroom to brush my teeth. Loved it.
Yeah.
Okay, so that wasn't so bad.
To gates A. Luckily the line wasn't long leaving the C and D side, or yeah.
That's us. So
Yeah. So definitely glad that we left when we did. It was a long 10-15 minute walk. So definitely not close.
And there was no line at passport control to get back out, so had there been a line,
It was sucked.
and then we're at our gate, actually getting warm, because we're going somewhere warm.
So definitely recommend if you're doing a short flight over on this side, go check out the lounges. You have to go through passport control and come back, but definitely worth it, especially for an early morning flight like the one we're taking today. Yeah, it's about 30 minutes and then we'll board. What are we flying with today, Jenny?
Today we fly with SAS. I don't know if we've flown with them before. I have.
Not together.
Not together.
I flew with my dad.
Yeah.
Airbus A319.
It's your thing, not mine.
We have made it to Nice. I can hear out of both ears for the most part. And then we'll walk to the train station. It'll be nice and warm. And then we'll take the train like 6 minutes to our hotel. Hopefully we can check in. Okay, the last thing that you guys saw was us waiting for our baggage. We then had a bit of a long walk to a train station to take us to our hotel.
It was nice to be in the sun, and we took the cheap route. We could have taken a tram to the train, but Logan found sort of off the beaten path walk to get there, and luckily we don't have a lot of baggage, so it wasn't so bad. We were just running across the street,
sometimes
dodging cars, so that's why we didn't record that for safety reasons.
Yeah, so we stayed safe, made it to the place. It's our perfect Ibis room that we know and love.
And I want to point out, we got on the right train. We bought a ticket our first try. We love public transport in France already compared to Copenhagen. It's already 100 times better.
So we've enjoyed it. The weather is fantastic. We've just been sort of tidying up and cleaning up and all that fun stuff. And then I think next up we're going to take a walk down along the beach and then find some dinner somewhere.
But before we do that, I'll give you a quick tour of our tiny room. And by quick, I mean very quick, because there's not much to it. It's our own room with our bed. It's not a lot of space, but it's all we need. We got a TV, got air conditioning, which we desperately need right now. And that's our view of Nice. This is our little ensuite bathroom with a little bit of a view. Feels so nice.
We're not in Copenhagen anymore.
No.
Jenny. And now we're gonna go, I think, get some Thai food because the entrees were quite cheap.
Yeah.
So we'll go check it out. Made it to Bon Thai.
First dinner in France.
So I've got some blue water tonight. Confused with something. We'll see how I feel after.
We're living in England and traveling around Europe. We fell in love with Fanta, which might sound weird, but the orange soda in Europe is different than the soda in the US. We think it's because it might be made with real orange juice instead of concentrate or fake stuff, but we were so excited to get some while we were here. And we even got these cute Fanta glasses. Cheers!
Cheers! Jenny's meal has come out.
So I got the dish of the day, massaman curry, because when in France get Thai food, but it's got chicken, sweet potatoes, peanuts, it looks like red peppers, and the curry, and then we both got rice, and it smells amazing and looks amazing, and I can't wait for your food to come so I can eat it. Okay, now we get to eat because Logan's is here. What'd you get?
Just a red chicken curry with some other stuff, I don't know. I'll try it out. Dinner was delicious. A good price for what we found. So it was like 40 for the both of us, but we got drinks and we got rice and we got mains. So we splurged, but
They didn't charge us for the blue water.
yeah.
But it was definitely my favorite meal of our trip so far.
Easily.
Yeah.
So we'll see what tops it. This mic makes people think we're filming a documentary.
It's so fun. They stare at us and think that we're much more interesting than we are.
We're not. We don't know what's going on. We're just gonna try and find our way back to the hotel. Jenny getting a pic of the sidewalk. Killing it. Oh, that's pretty good. Look at that.
I can't help it. There's so many things to take pictures of.
Keeping up with the tradition. Day 5. Best thing about today.
Today's gonna be really hard because today was probably my favorite day of the trip so far. I think dinner tonight was my favorite part. It was down this winding alley, these really tall buildings and windows with railings like you picture if you picture a French alleyway. Food was phenomenal. It was my best meal so far. I'm happy to be in France.
My favorite thing was ending up just getting to our hotel like we planned, getting to the airport and then taking the train and running through sidewalks where there were no sidewalks, so we made it happen. But yeah, that just made me happy that things went smoothly today and we're enjoying ourselves and really looking forward to the week in France. So stay tuned.